Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get free temporary email and also disposable emails. These emails are free and unlimited. I also use it to verify an account online and got a verification code. If you are a new viewer, hit the subscribe button and also leave a like. Without wasting further time, let's get started. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get temporary emails, and these emails are also disposable. You can use it to get multiple OTP and verification codes. So the first mail I'm going to be showing to you, I'm going to be showing you two mails. Stay tuned to the end of this video. If you are a new viewer, hit the like button and also subscribe. So the first method is you need to first of all open your Play Store application, then type this. I'm typing into the search bar Temp mail. After that, click on search it and get this app. Install this application into your device, and this device is going to provide you with unlimited temporary emails. As you guys can see, I'm installing this application right now. You guys can see this application is still installing, and let me wait for some seconds to get installed successfully. So I'm going to show you how you can use this to get a temporary email, and also you can use it to get OTP and verification codes. Okay, I'm going to click on open right now, and I'm going to use Canva as a case study. Also, I'm going to show you the second one in which you can use. Also, this one is also free. You can click on this cancel button. I'm going to show you the second one, so stay tuned to the end of this video and also leave a like. So after copying this email, they've given us this email for free. I'm going to use it to get a verification code. So I'm going to open my browser right now, then click on this. Let me just go to canva.com. After let me use my second browser over here. I'm going to log into this website now, and I'm going to click on canva.com. So right now I'm going to use this to get a verification code from Canva, and I'm going to use it to create a new account. So you guys can see right now I've opened this canva.com website, and I'm going to click on this continue with email. So the email I copied from this temp mail application, I'm going to input it over here, and I'm going to click on continue. After clicking on continue, I'm going to click on my name. And I'm going to click on get started is free. So they are going to send a verification code to this mail over here. So this is a proof right now, and I'm going to go back to the temporary mail address, and you guys can see. The inbox right here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to copy my code. As you guys can see, this is a free fake email address right now. I'm going to click on copy, and I'm going to go back, and this email is disposable. You can change it and get a new email address. So you guys can see right now this code is valid, and I got this from canva.com. As you guys can see, I use this fake mail address to create a Canva account. So if you guys want, I'm going to click on this close right now, and if I want now, I'm going to click on this email address. So right now I can click on this change, and they're going to give me a new email address that I can use. So you guys can see right now this is straightforward and it's easy. So the second website I'm going to show you, which you can also use to get a disposable email and temporary email, is Email on Deck. So I'm going to click on this I'm going to first of all verify if I'm human or robot. So I'm going to get this email address and use it for any verification you want. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and also subscribe for more videos like this. I think that will be all for now. Bye for now, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because subscription is actually free. Bye for now, guys.